Hello everyone, my name is Mike Bear and I'm an artist working in the animation and video game industry. Currently I'm a background painter on Rick and Morty. Over the next 2 hours, I'm going to take you through the process of background design and painting for television. Starting with a simple setting description, I will show you the steps I take to develop an idea from words to a final image and my thoughts on how to work efficiently and productively for the relatively quick timeline in animation production.